Here in Arizona, we love the sun, the warmth, and golf, which is why Window World offers a true lifetime warranty that even includes accidental glass breakage.
There was no upcharge on the features that the other companies were charging.
The warranty is amazing. There was nothing not to like about the whole process.
And now J.D. Power has ranked Window World highest in customer satisfaction with window and patio door retailers, which means simply the best for less isn't just our motto, that's exactly what you get. So call today for our true lifetime warranty that even includes accidental glass breakage. Perfect if you live on a golf course.
Get 6 large premium sliding windows, all with Solar Zone Sunshield glass for only $34.25. No gimmicks, no hassles. Call today at 602-492-9537.
Window World, simply the best.
For definitely less.